2-year break caused by the pandemic, today we have started the new edition of TSW 2022. We are pleasantly surprised by the attendance and participation of exhibitors. There are over 340 of them, and today we are estimating the turnout at about 8,000. I think that by the end of the day it will raise a little, and tomorrow we are expecting about the same number, so probably 16,000. We are very happy that we can finally meet in such a traditional form after a 1-year break with our customers and cooperating companies. The TSW Fair in 2022.
Na Targach TSW w 2022 roku. Z przyjemnością
We were pleased to accept the role of the main partner at this event. It is a really important date in our calendar. We have been preparing for it for a long time, and that is why a wide team of UPL Polska is present here today.
Dzisiaj tutaj obecny.
We are one of the main partners at this edition of TSW, and we have been here since its beginnings. Initially as an organizer, today as one of the main partners. This is a very important trade fair for us as a company that bases its activity on the horticultural industry. It is one of the most important channels of communication with our customers, because here we want to provide information about new products and technologies we recommend for the upcoming season. You are more than welcome to join us for the next edition in 2023, January 18th and 19th.